Here.
Alright guys, we got a unboxing video, and guess what? We're gonna show you what we got.
Here.
I got my video.
I know, I'm just gonna cut the tape on the top for you. Is that okay?
Yes, you can.
Alright, there you go.
Alright.
Do you have my phone?
I do have your phone. I got your app.
Can set it up? Okay.
Today we got an unboxing video, and guess what? We're gonna see to what we got. We got a new Amazon Echo Dot. Look at that. So, let's take the plastic off. Alright. Add Alexa to any room. Alright, let's go ahead and take this tab off and let's unbox it. Alright. Here's my new Echo Dot. Similar, just like the ones in my living room. So let's go ahead and take the plastic off. Let's see, hopefully I can take this off. The plastic off. Yeah, there we go. That's the tab right there. Right. Give me just 1 second. And here it is. Here's the back. And here's the back. Shows you what the model number is. The serial number and everything like that. And alright. And here's the instruction manual. And that way, if I find the manual for it, and if I got it, I'll put the link into the description in case you want to check it out. Gives you the instructions of how to set up my device. Yep. Right. Here's one booklet sheet for you can try things out. You can play your music. You can like ask Alexa questions and all of that. You can tell her jokes. All right. And we have, let's see what's in the box. And we have power adapter. So plugging it in. Just plug it in. And just take this little tab off. Alright. Here's my... And now let's take the plastic off on my charger. Let's see. There it goes. Let's see. It's kind of hard to get the plastic off. That was... This is not my phone. That was my mom's phone. I got my notification. I think that was from my package. Means that it's delivered. Alright. Hopefully I can take that little... There we go. Let's take the plastic off. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead and set it up. But in order to like set up your Echo Dot, there's an app that you can download. Hold on. Let's see. Right there. There's an app right there. I will put the link into the app and into the description. That way you can check it out. And that way you can download your app and you can set up your device. So, anyways, now I just wait for a moment to load up. Alright. Let's enter my Apple ID. Let me go ahead and put the camera down so nobody can see me entering my password, so nobody can see me Alright. Let's see. Alright, it's gonna send me my verification code. So let's put the camera down again. Alright. Sign in from my new device. Alright. Let's set up my device, shall we? Hold on. I'm Michelle Scully. This is not my name. I'm William Scully. Alright, loading. Please wait. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and then set it up. Let's plug it in. Alright. Just plug it in. It's no battery, anything, so you just plug it in, and that's all you need to do. So, right. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Let's see. Hold on. There we go. Just make sure that my phone is still filming. Alright. Plugged it in. Let's plug it into my wall. Boom. Plug in. Turn the volume up. Oh, wait. Just wait for just a second. Alright. Now we just need to wait for a minute for, like, after, like, when it's your first time using it, it will let you, like, walk you through your steps of how to, like, set up your Echo Dot.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Alrighty then. Let's set up, add device. Let's see, what type of device you're setting up. Amazon Echo. See the orange light. Echo Dot. 3rd generation. Alright, displaying the orange light. Allow location access, yep. Allow. Selecting, alright. Right. Let's choose my Wi-Fi network. Turn the volume up all the way. There we go.
Your device is ready.
Alright, connected. Alright, guys. Let's try it. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why does Mr. Spock hate pie? Because pie is irrational.
Alright. That was my unboxing and setup on my Echo Dot. Thanks a lot. Bye.